Hi guys, it's Sahasra. I'm from Blue Narwhal. Today I'm going to show you 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication in 4 simple color-coded steps. The problem I'm going to use as an example today is 24 times 12. Step 1 is in dark blue. 4 times 2 equals 8. So we're going to put 8 there. Step 2 is in light green. 2 times 2 equals 4. So we're going to put 4 there. We got 48 from multiplying 24 times 2. Step 3 is in purple. 1 times 4 equals 4. So we're going to put 4 here. We're going to add a 0 as a placeholder because 1 is in the 10th place. Step 4 is in light blue. 1 times 2 equals 2. So that means we got 240 from multiplying 10 times 24. Next, we're going to add 48 plus 240. That equals 288. That means 24 times 12 equals 288. See how easy 2-digit multiplication facts are now? So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye!